Expert advice on how to make money online. Have you found yourself struggling in the current economy? Perhaps you have been trying to figure out how you can start earning more money and having some say-so about how you go about it. You can do both of those things with the help of making money online. Watch this video, learn how to get started. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. If you like to write, then think about Squidoo or even InfoBarrel, where you can share revenue for your content. Both of these sites let you write on your favorite topics, and you get a split of the incoming revenue. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. Make a schedule. Having an online income will be successful if you can do it on a regular basis. There are no fast routes to loads of money. You need to work diligently every single day. Carve out a specific time frame daily. You'll be surprised at how even an hour daily can make a serious difference. As you can see from the information shared here, it really is possible to earn an income online in today's times. There are so many options available. You may even find that you come up with your own unique ideas for making money online. Thousands of other people are doing exactly that. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.